Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the LOONGOSTAR 28 LB's portable twin tub and the mini washer. In this video, we will explore their features, capacities, and usability to find out which one is the best choice for your laundry needs. The LOONGOSTAR offers a significant advantage with its larger washing capacity of 18 pounds for the washer and 10 pounds for the spinner, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the mini washer has a capacity of 15 Ls, which is better suited for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This makes the LOONGOSTAR a better choice for families or individuals with more laundry needs. When it comes to portability, the mini washer shines with its lightweight design of just 6.2 pounds and a compact folding feature, making it easy to store and transport. On the other hand, the LOONGOSTAR weighs 38 pounds and takes up more space, which may be a drawback for those with limited room. If portability is your priority, the mini washer is the clear winner. The LOONGOSTAR is equipped with multiple wash modes and a built-in drain pump, providing versatility for different laundry needs. In contrast, the mini washer features a simple spin basket and basic functionality, which may limit its effectiveness for heavier or more soiled items. For those seeking advanced features, the LOONGOSTAR is the better option. In conclusion, the choice between the LOONGOSTAR and the mini washer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and more features, the LOONGOSTAR is the way to go. However, if portability and compactness are your top priorities, the mini washer is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.